Installing a memory module. Note: the memory module tool is recommended due to space limitations caused by the location of water loop tubes through the memory section. Place the tip of the memory module tool on the top of the memory module retaining clip. Push the clip outwards to unlock it. Align the memory module with the slot, and then firmly press both ends of the memory module straight down into the connector until the retaining clips snap into the locked position. If you are installing a single-side cooling memory module, install the DIMM cover. Note: DIMM covers are only applicable for single-side cooling memory modules. Do not tilt the DIMM cover. Keep it in an upright position to prevent damaging the gap pads. Install the tray cover.